Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the phone is unlocked and fully updated. This prevents activation errors. Next, open Settings Connections SIM Card Manager and tap Add Mobile Plan. Use your camera to scan the carrier QR or enter the activation code manually. This seeds the eSIM profile. Once done, assign a label and choose whether this will be your data line. Make sure Wi-Fi stays connected until the profile downloads to avoid timeouts. You now activate and configure the downloaded profile. After scanning, go back to SIM Card Manager, select the new plan and tap Activate. The phone negotiates with the carrier and provision completes in minutes. Then set defaults. Pick which line handles mobile data, which handles voice, and which handles SMS. Once activation finishes, check the status icons and the carrier text. If you see no signal, wait a minute while the network registers. You finish by testing calls, SMS, and a data transfer to confirm full service. If something goes wrong, first reboot the phone. This often forces network re-registration. If the problem persists, give the carrier your EID and IMEI so they can verify provisioning on their side. Avoid deleting the profile until they ask. Finally, if asked, remove and reinstall the eSIM profile, then repeat activation. This resolves stubborn provisioning mismatches in many cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.